I think, honestly, on the road with this car.
Wow. I put front plate.
It's handover time and we are at Ventura Collection. We have funded this car within a matter of 72 hours from initial inquiry. I know my client is over the moon. So not gonna waste too much time. Let's go head in and let's go take a look at a LaFerrari.
Hello. How you doing, mate? Dan's out the country right now, but I'm taking over for now. You looking to get out your GT3, yeah?
Yeah, that's correct. I've had it a year now. The mileage is just creeping up a bit, so I've got it on sale or return. I'm just trying to get out of it really and change it to something else.
How much are you paying right now?
So I bought the car for 157. My monthly around 1900 is like 1905.
How much you pay deposit?
I put 15% down, which is about 23k. And I did think it was quite steep for like what it was. I was thinking it would be like 1,500–1,600 pounds, but like it was my first car that I could go into that was like amazing. So I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna go for that. And maybe that's just how the world is with stuff like that. And then someone put me in touch with Dan, and I just thought, you know what, yeah, I'll give it a go and get him to run me figures on something else, really.
You still comfortable with 1900?
Yeah, of course. I've paid it for a year now. I mean, I could stretch to probably like 2k at a push. I'm happy to put a bit more money in up front.
Yeah, but you want like a summer toy, yeah? You want something?
Yeah, summer toy, definitely. I mean, I've got a Range Rover, like full-size Range Rover that I got through my business.
Okay, and you were telling me that your birthday's coming up, right? You're trying to get it for your birthday.
Yeah, I want it for my birthday.
I'll tell you what, we can do it, man. Just leave it with us. And we'll get something nice for you. I've got something in mind. I've got a few things in mind actually, so we'll work on something. I'll get right back to you.
Cool. I mean, yeah, it's my missus' birthday this weekend, so if you can sort something. I don't know how long this stuff takes. I mean, when I've done it before, it took like 2 weeks, but if you guys can do it quicker and obviously get the right figures, then I'm happy.
Where there's a will, there's a way, mate. Leave it with us. We'll sort it out. We'll sort it out.
All right. Hello.
How you doing, mate? Did you have a chance to look at those options?
Give me 2 seconds, let me just put it up. I'll probably go, I think the last one's probably good because you're close to where I'm at with what I was paying on the Porsche already. Like, it's literally like £80 more. I was thinking it would be like closer to 2.5, but like the fact it's like lower than 2, I feel like I'm not even spending that much more.
All right, so what we'll do, we'll get the deposit on it and then I'll get those docs out to you ASAP and we should, fingers crossed, we're good for the weekend.
Yeah, cool. And then when do I need to transfer the money over by?
Yesterday, mate, yesterday. All right, take care.
Look at that. Checking out the laugh. I can't even see you behind there. Oh, bro, this is bad.
Mad, isn't it?
I can't lie. Yeah.
Sticking out.
Let me see if I can close it though. Oh, okay, that's all right. Yeah, I can't lie, man. This is a bit on me, man.
Me too.
I don't know what this is.
Are you open to offers?
Well, guys, I think we're here for the, you know, the real thing.
3, 2, 1.
If I'm pressing the right button.
It's coming.
Ooh! Hey, bro.
It looks so much better in person. I owe you. Thank you. Lovely car, and I love how loud it is as well. It's loud. It is so sick.
Oh, sick.
So sick. I think the paint makes it.
This carbon thing here, look at this.
Carbon thing. The carbon thing.
Carbon
What's the carbon thing?
This carbon spoiler.
Nice, man.
Like this and just
Yeah, I know.
perfect.
I hadn't even sat in one. I was like, yeah, I want that. I didn't even notice till after. They're horrendous. Yeah.
Wait, why have you got those? Well, the customer didn't want the buckets. Oh, so you put comforts in them.
How
Yeah,
much are they worth?
8, 9 grand?
Each or for the pair?
No,
For the pair.
Yeah. But then these are worth like 16. They're like double the price.
Really?
But yeah.
I might sell them. I've got a road trip to south of France.
Bro, we're
But
going
no,
south
but,
of
no,
France.
but my question is, yeah, like, for me and her, is it going to be a struggle?
And bro, you're going for 10 days.
10 days. Can I see the front? Like how small are we talking? This is going to ruin our trip. Okay.
That is tight, you know.
It's really tight.
Wait, surely my R8 wasn't like this.
Yeah, they are.
R8's like this.
R8's the
Yeah,
same.
R8's like this.
But these come out, right? So you can take them.
Yeah, there's loads of them.
Yeah, if you don't want to.
Where am I supposed to put a front plate? I bought a sticker.
I've got a sticker one.
I've got my private plate at home,
Okay.
so that I'm not
So
really
I've-
bothered.
yeah,
But where would you put them?
You can put it on there.
Yeah, I'd probably go in there.
I think I might want to get one.
No, yeah, do it. Just
So
80
good.
£80 more than what I was paying on GT3. Do you think they could go to like 230, 250?
Maybe. Well, everything else.
Yeah.
Yeah, these deserve to go up. Bro.
Yeah, they've gone crazy. Because what were they, like 500 for a coupe?
Yeah, earlier
Yeah,
in the year, but
yeah.
2 years ago, no, a year and a half ago, that was 380.
But then what about the LaFerrari? Because they were like
Yeah.
3 million, and now what, they 4.5?
For the right one, special.
I love
That's
those.
full MSO car, that one.
Got a cake.
Happy birthday to
Oh, thank
you.
you. It was mine
Hey.
yesterday.
Was it? Oh,
Yeah,
happy birthday.
thank you.
Hey, let's sing happy birthday. Come on, guys. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you guys. Happy birthday
Thanks,
to
Dan.
you.
Where are the candles?
Oh, this guy's asking for me too much.
Yeah.
Bruh.
Thanks, Dan. Can we ruin her holiday quickly? Can I just show her the front?
The thing is with the Porsche, it did actually have like.
It wasn't a club sport, so it had no cage.
Big front boot.
Yeah, I think it will be fine.
Yeah.
Because you could put like a duffel bag, and then trainers, and then. Why do you think that you had it for quite a while? Because
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
And then weird, it was the same day.
Yeah. It wasn't even, we had 3 people on it that week.
Really?
Yeah. We had literally 3 people that same week.
Yeah, so Lamborghini Huracan Performance Spider. What do you think?
I was stuck really because of like the hybrid stuff. I wanted something up from the GT3. Huracans, like normal Huracans, I was a bit like, don't really hit the spot.
Yeah.
But Ferraris are cool, but like all the values have gone through the roof. And I just think for the value that these are, I still think they've got room to go. I think it's safe money really.
Yeah.
Spec, sick, sound sick. Well impressed.
Well impressed, right?
Thank you for sorting it for me.
It's all good, man. It's all
Nice.
good. This is
Big
is
step
nice.
up.
Hey, I can't lie, I'm gonna take a seat at the passenger side, man. This is,
You can borrow it for a weekend if you want.
hey,
I'm
bro.
doing rentals now.
Wow, this is.
It is sick. And I thought the windscreen, like people were saying the windscreen was like eye view. But yeah, you get used to it. I think you just got to kind of sit slumped.
Yeah, I think that's what it is. Yeah, do you know what? We're tall guys.
Tall guy.
How tall are you?
6 foot.
Yeah, I'm 6'1", I think.
Oh, you're higher than that. Your forehead is,
You reckon?
is out the car.
I don't know.
You need
do
to
know what?
PPF that.
I didn't want to like. You know what? I was thinking like, I feel like I'm 6'2", but I didn't want to say 6'2", just in case he's like,
Too short.
you know, like with Brad, he'll be like, mate, you're not taller than me.
The numbers you got, like finance-wise, it's not crazy.
Yeah, exactly.
It's not crazy at all. Like compared to the GT3, like value for value.
That's what I think was the most important thing. You know, going from one car to the other, you want it to be like a smooth transition, especially in terms of like the monthly payments and all that. Otherwise, it's just kind of like, don't really want to do this, you know? So I'm glad we made it happen.
Yeah.
Deposit wasn't even that much higher than what you put on your GT3 as well.
Nothing. And I think it's like 85 more a month.
And the car is like
Way more.
way more.
Yeah. Yeah.
So it just shows how putting together
In the right car.
right car, right package, right rate, you know, deposit, residual, as long as it all comes together, you know, that's where it kind of works out.
Obviously, we had other stuff going on in the background with like moving house and things like that.
Yeah.
We worked it at the right time.
Yeah.
Acceptance was so quick. What was it like? 24 hours?
Yeah, 24 hours.
It was
yeah,
24 hours.
yeah.
So that was like quite, so especially on an amount for something like this. So yeah, couldn't fault it. It was really, really good.
So I started out.
She said we have to drive straight to London from here. Yeah. I'm like, we don't need to go. She's like, no, we're going. No, it's crazy. How do I put the roof up?
Well, you would know.
Well, I just want to see what it looks like. Oh, it's there. Oh, yeah. I just want to see if I fit. That's not that bad at all.
No. Wow. This is so cool.
Yeah, it's sick. I love it. That is so loud. Wow. That is so loud.
See how the first fill up's gonna be. That's mad, you know. 134 pounds.